Right. Welcome to the English class. In the last class, we discussed about the types of sentences. So, what are those types of sentences? Already I explained you. It is in the fourth class also. So, once again, let me see. What is the first one? Is the declarative sentence. Yes or not? So, declarative sentence. First one. So, next one is interrogative. So not. So good bit call. Next one is imperative. Interrogative, imperative. So okay, next one is exclamatory. So first one is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay, declarative sentence means what? It gives the statement or fact, honesty is the best policy. Okay, I am studying 4th class, I am studying 5th class. Okay, sun rises in the east, so he is a good boy. The boys are playing in the ground. So finally declarative sentence, declare justice. Interrogative sentence means what? It ends with full stop. Interrogative sentence asks the question. What is your name? Where are you? How are you? Who are you? Why are you coming to school? So how old are you? Next, imperative sentence means what? It gives commands, requests or suggestions. Go and sit there. Please come and sit here. Okay. So please give me your book. Don't make noise. Any imperative sentences. Exclamatory sentence means what? Wow, what a beautiful flower. So, oh, how shining it is. Any exclamatory sentences. So వీటితో పాటు మనకి ఏముంటుంది నాన్న నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఉంది. సో నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్? నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? వ్యతిరేక పదం అంట. సో విచ్ మీన్స్ ఆపోజిట్ నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఐ లైక్ మ్యాంగో, ఇది పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఫర్ దిస్? I don't like mango. So it is a negative sentence. I don't like mango. So I like mango is a positive sentence. I don't like mango. It is a negative sentence. Okay, our negative sentences మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Arrange the words to make negative sentences. So write down this negative sentence and heading it right. So I like mango. I like M-A-N-G-O, mango. So write down everyone. So what is the negative sentence? I don't like mango. Okay, I don't like mango. So okay, that is the negative sentence. So I will come with you. I come with you. I will come with you. Is a positive sentence. What is the negative sentence for this? Not be right. I will not come with you. I will not come with you. Okay, it is a negative sentence. I will come with you is a positive sentence. I will not come with you is a negative sentence. I wake up early. I wake up early. దీనికి నెగిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది? సో చూడండి నా సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఐ మ్యాంగోస్ లైక్ ఈట్ నాట్ టు ఫర్ don't. So it is in a zigzag manner. Yes or not? I mangoes like eat don't do. Allow this sentence. It is in a reverse order. We have to arrange these words to make a negative sentence. Okay? In a negative sentence lo manam proper order lo raali. So first em avutundi sentence lo cheppandi what comes first? Subject comes. The subject comes. Okay? I will come first. Yes. I don't like to eat mangoes. I don't like to eat mangoes. So I mangoes like eat don't too. I mangoes like eat don't too. Okay, so this is the sentence. We have to arrange this sentence in a proper order to give the negative meaning. Negative meaning vachelaga arrange cheyali. So what is that? I don't like to eat mangoes. I don't like to eat mangoes. Okay. So next one. Come I you with will not. Evaran cheptare? So can anyone say what is that proper order? Come I you with will not. Who will say the correct answer? Unmute chesi cheppandi. Yes, Megan. So I will not. I will not. I తర్వాత will వస్తుంది. Will not come with you. Come with you. So correct order లో వచ్చింది. Subject, verb, okay, and object. I will not come. Okay. So next one. So next we can see. So I admission new not school apply to A for did. 2A for did. సో కొంచెం పెద్దగా ఉన్నా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. సో చూడండి, ఐ అడ్మిషన్ న్యూ నాట్ స్కూల్ అప్లై టు ఏ ఫర్ డిడ్. సో ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? ఐ అడ్మిషన్ న్యూ నాట్ స్కూల్ అప్లై టు ఏ ఫర్ డిడ్. ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? కెన్ యూ సే? Have you written this? Rasera Nana? Have you written this? So see that this. I admission new not school apply to A for did. I did not apply to A. New admission apply. I did not apply for a new admission to school. So I did not. I did not apply. Proper order. I did not apply for a. I did not apply for a new admission.
I did not apply
to school.
for
To a school. I did not apply for a new admission. Here is Chudara. I did not apply for a new admission to school. I did not apply for a new admission to school. Next one. For I was the prepared mock test. Mere cheppali. Mere cheyali. So ever chepta. For I was the prepared not test. For I was the prepared not test. Who will say this? For I was the prepared not test. Rearrange this sentence to give the complete proper meaning. So who will say this? So write down the subject I. Next was. Verb వస్తుంది. I was. Next ఏమవుతున్నాడు? Negative form. Not. So next is Ryan. Prepared.
from the now test.
So yes, I was not prepared. దేనికంట? For the test. So I was not prepared for the test. That is answer. Okay. Next third one.
I was prepared
So next third one. Concept. రాసుకున్నాను. Concept. I was not prepared for the test. Next concept. Did. Lot. Did lot choir. Not. Not school. School for our practice.
ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు? చెప్పట్లేదు. క్లాస్ కాదు.
So చూడండి ఈ సెంటెన్స్ పెద్దగా ఉంది. Who are talking here? So concept did not choir not school for our practice చేయగా. So చాలా jumbled గా ఉంది. So దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి? We have to arrange in a proper order to give the negative meaning, negative sentence. So our school choir did not practice a lot for concert. Okay, our choir did not practice a lot for school concert. So write down our school choir did not practice. Our school choir is the subject. Our school choir దేనికంట ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉందని తెలిసినా కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. So our school choir did not practice a lot. Did not practice a lot for the concept. Okay, now అర్థమవుతుందా? So concept did not choir not school for our practice చేయదా. So దీన్ని మనం సింప్లీ చేస్తే so our school choir comes under subject. Our school choir did not our school choir did not practice a lot. Our school choir did not practice a lot for the concept. Concept means what? Some type of function. Okay, next time I will give the homework to you. So you do it your own and then you don't forget to send the homework. Okay, you can practice more sentences in the next class also. So do the homework. Arrange the sentence in a negative order. So do the homework. So next one. All captain the not school by loud was. All captain Rasmus. All captains the not school by loud was. All captains are not school by loud was. Next, second one, grow, G-R-O-W, grow, become, up, grow, become, up, will, when, grow, become, up. when I not
Running out of time.
I an astronaut. An astronaut. Simple two? Yes. So these two sentences do the homework. So what is it? All captain not school by love war. Grow become up when I earn astronaut. So repeat in the next.